Today at Coyote Classics, we're going back to 1979 in this 1979 Camaro Z28. Now this thing is just like going back to 79. I mean,
it's pretty much like a brand new car. Shifts perfect. Speedometer, tachometer, temperature gauge is reading about 190. Amp gauge, gas gauge, speedometer, everything works. Here's your brakes.
perfect.
Air conditioning has had about 2,000 bucks spent on it. Completely redone. It's blowing ice cold. Go ahead, D.
How about that? Original radio there works great.
Speedometer, horn works. Dome light works.
It's got power windows as well, which work perfectly. Even the seatbelt buzzer works. Probably about the only time you're ever going to see Chad wearing a seatbelt is when it beeps at him in one of these old cars.
I don't really have a choice this time, do I?
No, this thing is... I like this one a lot.
I just love looking out across the hood, seeing that beautiful black paint, buffed to an awesome shine. I love the orange and red decals.
I love this interior color with the black. It's really classy. You know, I'd much rather have this than black interior with that black exterior. It's
I agree.
A gorgeous car. Your brakes again, perfect.
Air conditioning again, perfect. That's my main thing.
Interior, perfect. All right, let's take this back to the shop and do a little walk around of it. This thing is just pretty hard to beat. I mean, almost just like the day it rolled off the showroom floor. Under the hood's damn near perfect, paint's beautiful, interior's perfect. Listen to it idle too. I mean, nothing crazy, just nice smooth idle.
That's nice. I'll go ahead and shut it off and hear itself talk.
Yeah, like you said, beautiful under the hood. Just like the day it came off the factory floor, motor's all painted up. It's even got, you know, this, which you hardly see on there. A lot of times all that plastic stuff's been taken away. Cold air, power steering, power brakes.
Cruise control from the factory. Newer Napa Legend battery all strapped in. I mean, just a great example of a 1979 Camaro Z28.
Well, and then that hood too, it just shuts so easy. You can just drop it, it'll just shut and line up perfect. I mean, just a really crisp car. I'll hand that to you, Chad, we'll go around it. Another thing I noticed on it the other day when me and Dave were walking around is most time you'll see some cracks and stuff in this nose. I didn't see any.
No, it's really good. It's got just a couple chips, and it's like on the front edge, almost underneath the hood, but they still show a little. Gaps are great. Back of the hood lines up very nicely. Windshield has two tiny little chips in them. You know, they're not going anywhere, but just a couple little rock chips over top of the roof and the rear sail panel area. I mean, the body and paint is just phenomenal on it. You can tell here it's just chipped up just a little bit. It's been touched up on that back rubber bumper back there, but it's awesome shape. Besides that, the tail lights are still like new. Spoiler lines up nice.
Even the front chin spoiler down underneath on this car, that's all really nice. That's not beat up and broke like a lot of them are.
Has a rear defrost. The interior is original in the back here, and it's in great shape. You want to go ahead and open the door, D? Bottom of the fender is great. Let's see what else we got here. Door jamb paint, man, look at that. Look at the corners of the doors. Interior door panels, beautiful. When they painted this thing, man, it's just perfect. I'm guessing it's a pretty original car except for that repaint. Headliner It's excellent visors, dome light works, dash pad is still beautiful. We pointed out the original AM/FM radio still works.
Check out the trunk. It still has its original spare and even has the little fix-a-flat bottle in there as well.
We did get a few new rubbers for it. Don't shut that. Because some of these are new rubber, or original rubbers. I know we got roof rail and I think door panel rubbers too.
Nice.
Some people like the original, that way they can tell, you know what I mean? But you can just see they had a couple cracks in them, so. Driver side's laser straight, the body line and the fender door quarter lines up beautifully. You can see reflection anywhere in this Camaro.
I think someone's gonna have a really hard time finding one any nicer than this. I mean, just all the way around.
I agree. That driver's door is perfect. I know this one will get a lot of attention, D. There we go, that's better. Look at that door jamb paint.
Yeah, never had any work done here. It's all real nice.
Tilt wheel, factory tack, and dash is beautiful. So check it out.
On the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.